Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now we are going to start question number 1 of 11.5 of unit parallelograms and triangles. It's given that in the given figure AX, BY and CZ and DU, EV all are parallel lines. AB, BC, CD and DE are congruent segments. And also given that if measurement MN is 1, then find the lengths of LN and LQ. LN and NQ and LQ, whole thing. So first we have to write given. I'm explaining how will you solve the question in your examination. That's why I'm trying my best. Given, what is given? AX, BY, CZ, DU and EV, all AX, BY, CZ, DU and EV are parallel. All are parallel. What else? These are five parallel lines, and AE, this is AE, this line is AE, and AE is a transversal. Transversal is a line which intersect the parallel lines, or we can say parallel lines are cut by a transversal. AE is the transversal which intersects this transversal intersect parallel lines in four congruent segments. A, B, B, C, 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 D and D, E are four congruent segments. A, B, B, C, C, D and D, E. These are four. So that is, you can say AB measurement, BC measurement, CD measurement, DE, all segments are equal or congruent or equal. Also, we have the value of MN, which is equal to 1 centimeter. So then what else? Now what we require, हमारी requirement क्या है? We required the length of M. There is no construction here, so we write solution. And we know that in theorem we already know, we knew that according to the theorem, if two or more parallel lines cut by a transversal, here transversal is AE, cut by a transversal in congruent segments, then they will intersect other transversal into congruent segment also. So we write here according to the theorem of parallel lines, we know that if two or more parallel lines cut by a transversal into congruent segments, then the parallel lines means they will means parallel lines will intersect other transversal, means other transversal is LQ, other transversal which is LQ, then they will intersect other transversal into congruent segments also, means these segments will also be congruent because of this theorem we have already learned. So what we can say, that is LM measurement LM measurement NMN measurement NP measurement PQ, all segments will also be same, will also be equal. So, and we know that Mn is 1, so we can say all are equal to 1 centimeter because Mn is given, Mn is 1. So we can write the equations for our requirement. So we need LQ and LN and LQ. So first we make equation for LN. Look at the figure. Ln is equal to Lm plus Mn. Ln is equal to Lm plus Mn. We can write like this. This is the first equation for Ln. So similarly we can make the equation for measurement LQ, second one LQ. We can make this for LQ in many ways. So this plus this plus this plus this is equal to LQ, or we can say Ln plus NP plus PQ. So we will write measurement Ln first, Ln, because Ln is here. We will find first this, then put it here. So Ln plus measurement NP plus PQ, NP plus PQ, right? So first we have to find by putting values. Lm is 1 and Mn is also 1. Why Lm is 1? Because all are same. Lm, Mn, and P all are same. So both are 1. So Ln is 2, which is the first answer. The second one is LQ. We know that Ln is 2. So right here, put this value. NP is 1. NP is 1. And PQ is also 1. So add up these. LQ is equal to 4 centimeter. This is our second answer. This is first answer. So we can write, hence the lengths of ln and lq are 2 and 4 respectively. This is your answer.